stop. Alright, go ahead. That sounds good. Alright, so this guy over here is making hella noise while we're trying to do a spoiler install.
Get him, John.
Alright, what's going on, you guys, and welcome to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day today. We're out here at Ahmad's house, and we're about to install his carbon fiber spoiler on his Bmw 335Is. So we already put in the 3M tape in the alcohol. Well, you do the alcohol wipe first, and then put the 3M tape after. And then we're about to unwrap the 3M tape and then stick it on the car.
We're gonna wipe it with alcohol first. We're gonna clean the car with alcohol first so it's not dirty. It doesn't have all the dust and stuff on it. Then we're gonna align it, make sure it's aligned good, rip off the 3M tape, and slap this puppy on.
It's like that part I'm gonna add.
What?
You'll see.
Alright, you're gonna put some alcohol on this microfiber towel.
Are you gonna de-badge it?
No.
Like, no?
This?
Yeah.
Probably gonna get carbon fiber, black those out.
What about the front?
All of it. The wheels, everything.
What do you mean the wheels?
You see the hubcap?
This guy. This guy. He wants to have a rev battle. Don't do it all.
You have to.
No. Usually people like
Peel a thing and
peel
then
it and then put it on and then take it off.
Yeah.
We're just gonna
Just
one at it.
Here. One take.
One take.
Six and a half hours later.
Oh, what the hell? I could have just started from right. Alright, let's do this before that guy. Alright, we got all the 3M tape on it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Boom. Alright, stick it on there. Yeah, alright, yeah. What I did was I put 2 fingers on the side and then do it. You know what I'm saying? And then line it up with this crack. Feel the crack with that pointer finger too. Yeah. And then just line it up. Use your fingers, yeah. How do you know that's where it's at? You sure? YOLO, what the problem is. Here, I'll hold this side. Like, not supposed to be on here?
Oh, on the bottom. It's not even touching on the bottom. It's my fault.
Oh, sweet. Oh, here, do the pointer finger thing.
But it's supposed to be like flush too. You're right, we should have done it the way you said.
Push it, push it, push it.
Nah, it's good.
You good?
I might redo it.
Really?
Solid, it's not awful.
Yeah,
Right?
that looks good.
This one should come up with.
There's just like a little tape right here. I would get like a screwdriver and just, or do that. Yeah, looks nice, dude. I like that. Ducktail wing for life. Yeah, it's on there. It's pretty solid.
Probably get the front bit first, and then the side skirts.
What do you mean side skirts?
Do you not have side splitters?
Oh. Yeah, I'm getting those too.
Yours are probably way cheaper.
Heck yeah, dude, $100
For 2?
for 2. Mustang life.
Yeah, we should have just left the what's it called? Oh, we should have just left the non-sticky side of the 3M tape on here and then ripped it off when we had it aligned properly.
Yeah,
We thought we could just slap it on.
that's what the other videos did.
All the tutorials, all the.
Alright, so people that's watching this, just get the edge off. Don't take all of the 3M tape or the non-sticky stuff. This stuff right here. Don't take it all off. Just take the front end off, like just a little piece like right here, and then stick it on to where it is, align it, and then just peel it off.
So you can slide it back and forth.
Yeah. Alright, we got the thing installed. Looks good. Carbon fibre. Dude, it looks good. It looks almost like exactly like mine, except kind of smaller, but it's got like the same exact shape. Like mine has like this round thing like this, but mine's just like a tad bit taller. Mine's probably like right there, maybe.
Someone said to clear coat it with like a clear coat, but my last one was fine.
I mean, it looks like it's got something like
a clear coat already on?
Yeah, that's what.
Oh.
I don't know, it looks
I like
good.
it.
Yeah, I like it too. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And stay tuned for more mods on the 335Is. And make sure to subscribe if you guys are liking the content. And like always, have a great day. Peace. Da-da, da-da.